Hi, hi everyone. Today we are starting a new programming language called C Sharp. Okay, don't worry if you have never done programming before. We will start from zero and move step by step. By the end of today's class, we will be able to understand what is C Sharp, what your first C Sharp program, take input from the user, display output on the screen. So uh, uh, just we will complete today the introduction part. What is language, what is input, what is output, what is the meaning of language. Yes, okay. So first we will start what is programming. Okay, what is my first question? So what is programming? What is programming? Okay, so programming means what? Giving instruction, giving instruction to a computer, to a computer. Okay, means suppose the best example is what? Calculator. What? Calculator. Calculator is the best example. Calculator is the best example of programming language. Means you are giving some instruction to the calculator and it's perform some operation for you. Okay. Then mobile apps, website, games, and like that. Computer do not understand human language. They only understand programming language. Okay. Means computer never understand whatever I am writing here, whatever you are doing in computer, that computer will not completely understand. Computer understand only binary languages like 0, 1, 0, 1 like that. If you are a computer science student, you know digital computer, digital electronics, digital signals like that subjects. There have clear information about the programming languages or computer languages or what computer actually understands. Okay, then second question is what is C sharp? What is C sharp? Now our main funda is what is C sharp? Why we learn C sharp? What is C sharp? So C sharp is a programming language. Okay, what is C sharp is a programming language developed by who? Developed by Microsoft. Developed by Microsoft. We use C sharp for creating what? Website, app, and games, desktop applications, web APIs. Web API is the latest technology that every industry now use. Okay, so using APIs, you can fetch the data, you can store the data, you can manage the data. Means you are developing your backend in C sharp and just understand what is C sharp. Now you just understand what is C sharp. Okay. There are two parts for programming. First one is languages. Second one is what? Framework. Okay. Languages means what? C sharp, Java, Python, and like that. And what is the framework? Framework that we will learn after the end of our tutorial means at the end of our uh, this tutorial. Okay. So I just give you some information about the framework and that in next video. Thank you for today. Just this is the just introductory part. We will go with next part tomorrow again. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.